Welcome back to No Code November. This video is for my Notion geeks. If you don't know what Notion is, where do I begin? It's a platform on which you can edit pages that you connect to each other, where you can edit the text, add photos, images, videos, links, databases, tables, references to other pages. I use it as a knowledge management system, a brain dump, a wiki for my whole life, professional and private. I am also using it to create a wiki of free resources for leaders who want to learn how to facilitate more inclusive and accessible sessions. How do you turn a simple Notion page with a database like this one into a fully functional website like this one? This is where Super comes in. Super turns your Notion pages and wikis into websites that look really good. Super has a lot of lovely templates. Some of them are free and some of them you can purchase for a small fee from the creator. So whether you would like to host a blog, a store, a portfolio, a personal website, a careers page, you will find many options. I personally think that Super is best used to showcase Notion's extensive database capacities with filters, different kinds of views, tags, and anticipate the categories of content that people are most likely to look for. That's why I use it for my wiki, which will be made of free resources that I can make available to those who want to learn more about inclusive facilitation and accessibility. How about you? Do you use Notion? And if so, have you ever thought about making a wiki accessible externally and host it on a platform like Super? That's it for today. This was yet another tool from my No Code November toolbox I wanted to showcase. Thank you for your attention. See you in the next video.